When identifying any lock case, you will need the case measurements or case sizes for the lock itself. These will consist of the overall case height, top to bottom in this case 148 millimeters, the case width measured from the front of the fore-end back, in this case 80 millimeters overall case width, and the case thickness 20 millimeters in the case of this mortise lock. When measuring UPVC multi-point lock gearboxes or centre cases, again you will need the overall case height. This is without any fixing lugs included, so just the case itself, in this case 208 millimeters of case height. You will also need the case width. This is measured accounting for a 3 millimeter faceplate that would be on the front of this when mounted. So add 3 millimeters onto the width. In this case it measures 50 mil wide, so this would be a 53 mil case width with the faceplate. And the case thickness, which in this case is a 14 mil case thickness.